We have 8 panels, 72 cells on the bottom from Hanwha, and we have 8 panels bifacial LG 400 watts on the top. The one on the bottom are 395 watts. This is a system designed by Volts Energies. Let's go see inside now. Inside we have completely sealed batteries. Those are Absolute 900 amps batteries. Then we have 3 switches, one for each battery bank, and we go through our lengths distributor for the distribution. Let's see what we have on the wall now. On the wall we have the 2 solar MPPT 150-100 for the panels on the top, which are bifacial, and the 2 150-70 for the 8 panels on the bottom. And then each one of them has breakers, lightning protection. This is what you can see in the midnight boxes. On the side here we have 2 multiplus 24 3000 watt for a total of 6,000 watts, 120 to 40 volts, 60 hertz. The inverters are on right now. And on the bottom we have, if we go from the right, the transfer switch. If something happens to the inverters, we can transfer and be on the generator. We have the AC input here with the Siemens panel, and then we have the box where we can connect the generator with a twist lock, and then from the bottom of the trailer we can bring the extension in and connect it to it. Beside that AC in, we have the remote start, so we'll be able to control the generator remotely. We have the Lynx power in for the DC distribution. This is where everyone connects, the inverters and then the solar MPPTs and the DC distribution. We have a small breaker here for the DC loads, and then we have a battery protect in order to protect the batteries from being discharged too much. And we have a DC 24 to 12 volts with a small fuse box for the loads that we may have. By the way, the system is 24 volts. We have the Wi-Fi here, the long-range Wi-Fi dongle, and the color control. We can see here on the PV, the sun is on the back of the panels, so from the only from the LG bifacial we're getting 975 watts from the back of the panels. And then we have 40 watts of charge from all the system. Batteries are 82%. And then the CC, we don't have any power from the DC side. Inside the trailer, we had to reinforce it with an aluminum frame because it was not strong enough to hold all the panels. And we put nice plywood in the back of our installation in order to have everything solid on the wall. And on the side here, the TriStar modules, this is where we have our AC distribution. So we'll have 3 AC output, 30 amps. And if you see, it's all being connected here. We have some plugs, and here we have the breakers for the output. So it gives us electricity inside the trailer, and those plugs here will be the twist lock where we'll connect the extension that goes to the the camps. Thank you everyone. And again, this is our system for, we have 8 400 watt panels and 8 bifacial and 8 regular 395 watt 72 cells panels on the bottom. Thank you.